Today, I'm going to teach you how to save a file from Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you've just finished editing a document or simply need to store it in a specific location, knowing how to properly save your work is essential for keeping your files organized and accessible. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all your documents and editing tools. The interface will load up, presenting you with various options for managing your PDF files. Next, navigate to Recent Files. This section displays the documents you've been working on recently, making it easy to locate the file you need without having to search through multiple folders. From here, select the PDF file you want to save. Click on it to open it in the main workspace. Now, let's pretend that you are done editing your PDF. You might have made annotations, added text, or modified images within the document. Whatever changes you've made, it's time to ensure they're properly saved so you don't lose any of your work. In the upper left toolbar, click on Menu. This will open a drop-down with various file management options. From this menu, select Save As. This option is particularly useful because it allows you to choose exactly where you want your file to go and gives you the flexibility to rename it if needed. You'll notice that you have several saving options available. Adobe Acrobat Pro offers multiple storage locations to suit different needs. You can save to your computer, Adobe Cloud Storage, or even add file storage from other services. Each option has its advantages depending on whether you need local access or cloud-based backup. For instance, let's click on your computer. This will save the file directly to your local drive, making it immediately accessible even without an internet connection. This is often the preferred choice when you need quick access to your documents. After selecting your computer, the next step is to choose which folder you want the file saved in. You'll see options such as Documents, Resources, or Downloads. Click on one of these folders to proceed. Choosing the right folder from the start helps keep your files organized and easy to find later. Before finalizing, you have the option to rename the file if needed. This is helpful if you want to give it a more descriptive name that clearly indicates its content or version. Once you've decided on the name, click Save. The file will now be stored in your chosen location with all your edits preserved. And that's it. Your PDF is now safely saved in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.